Hi everybody. Okay, I've received some emails from some of you and some comments saying that you've had problems with the following, okay, with the simple present. So I'm just going to give a quick explanation, and I'm also going to give you a link for you to be able to connect and try out the exercises on your own. All right, as we mentioned, or as I've said before, just to restate the theory, the present tense is the base form of the verb, okay? It's the infinitive, and basically it's the same for all the different pronouns, as in I, you, they, we. We don't add anything and we don't do anything to it. So it's I work in London, you work in London, we work in London. However, in the third person singular, i.e. with she, he, or it, that's when we add ns, okay? That's when we add an s. So although I say I work in London, I say she works in London. Up to there, that's pretty straightforward. However, you know, with other things that we've seen, that there are always some rules which state something different. So in this case, we don't always just add an S. There are two cases when we add an ES or we add IES. So in the case that we add ES, if the base form of the verb finishes in SX, CH, SH, or O, we add ES. And here we have some examples. So I would say I kiss, you kiss. However, I would say she kisses or he kisses. That's one of the rules. The other rule is that if the verb ends in a consonant plus Y and has two syllables or more, we remove the Y and we add IES. So although I say carry, he carries with the IES. So I wouldn't just add an S onto the end of here. However, please note that play has one syllable, so we say plays. If it finishes in Y and it's one syllable, we add an S. However, if it finishes in Y and it has two syllables, we put IES. Okay, if that's more or less clear, I've put here a link that you can go on and you can try out yourselves. It's pretty straightforward, okay? Just wait 1 minute. All right, so for example, I work, just click here and write what you think it should be. So, works or work? Works. And so on and so forth. Let me know if you have any problems, okay? Take care, everyone.